So hey, what's up? Here's my Beyblade X case, and yeah, there's only Beyblade X Beys inside, and here's my Beyblade X String Launchers. And you can clearly see we can easily launch Beyblade X Beyblades with this launcher, but on the other hand with Metal Series Beyblades, it's actually quite impossible. Well, I already have two of them, but we just need one because as you've seen in the thumbnail, today we're going to turn this Beyblade X String Launcher into a Beyblade Metal Series Launcher. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but yeah, today in this video we're going to turn this Beyblade String Launcher into a Metal Series Launcher, and we will be able to launch Metal Series Beys with this Beyblade X String Launcher. And it's actually not my first ever Beyblade Launcher modification, because previously I have also turned a Beys Series Beyblade Launcher into a Metal Series Beyblade Launcher. So yeah, I really do have a quite experience on modifying Beyblade Launchers. तो हाँ guys, आज की इस वीडियो पे ये Beyblades का जो स्ट्रिंग लॉन्चर तुम सब देख सकते हो, इसको भाई मैं मेटल सीरीज लॉन्चर में कन्वर्ट करूंगा. बहुत ही इजी मेथड है. So alright my boys, let's get started. Alright, to do this modification, first of all we need a Metal Series Beyblade Launcher. You can use any launcher you want, but make sure that the launcher you are using, it must need to be a Metal Series Beyblade Launcher. Like you can see in the video, I'm going to use this Ripcord launcher to do this modification on the Beyblade X String Launcher. Alright, so first let me just quickly take out the plastic cover part from the launcher where the prong is actually placed.
अरे भाई निकल ना यार.
Now take your Metal Series Beyblade Launcher and safely take out the prong part of the launcher or the hook part, whatever you want to say, using a screwdriver. Now simply we have to place this white color part on the Beyblade String Launcher like I'm doing in the video, and thankfully this white color part actually placed pretty well on the launcher, not had that much like rough issues, and as you can see it's spinning pretty well. Now lastly and finally we have to place this launcher prong, or you can say the launcher hook, properly on the Beyblade String Launcher.
Alright, so yeah, the whole of the prong is actually pretty small. That is why I'm not able to fit it with the Beyblade String Launcher, as you can see. So yeah, we have to do something about this.
तो अपने हाथ में कांची ले लो और लॉन्चर हुक या लॉन्चर प्रॉन्ग का जो होल है उसके अंदर घुसा दो और अच्छी तरह से घुमाओ. धीरे धीरे भाई होल बड़ा हो जाएगा. Alright, now we just have to simply place the prong properly on the Beyblade launcher, and finally we just have to screw everything back like the way it was before. And here we go, here's our new Metal Series Beyblade X String Launcher. Now we will be able to spin Metal Series Beyblade with this launcher. Alright, now it's time for the real test. So let's see which launcher is actually better and has more power, the Beyblade X Modified String Launcher or the normal regular Metal Series Launcher. Let's see. Alright, so as you can see, 1 minute 43 seconds, so almost pretty close to 2 minutes from the regular Metal Series LR Beyblade Launcher. Now it's time for the modified Metal Series Beyblade X String Launcher. Let's go. And yeah, I know guys, you might be thinking why the prong is actually blue. It was supposed to be black, but unfortunately while I was testing the launcher, by mistake somehow the prong just got broken. So that is why I had to replace it with a blue one from my Metal Series LR Launcher. So hope you understand.
Oh bro, look at that, 3 minute 40 seconds and 58 milliseconds. That's wild. Okay, so yeah, this Beyblade X modified Metal String Launcher is pretty good, and yeah, with this blue color prong looking much more beautiful than before. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and yeah.